Hello everyone. Um, so in the last video we have covered about the first topic, that is how to consolidate the data. That was just an introduction to consolidate the data, but in that sub option, like in the consolidating data, we have a subtotal topic that we'll be doing after this video. Okay, and in this video we'll cover another topic, that is scenarios. Okay, so scenarios basically are the tools to test what if questions, but in this video we'll be just creating a simple scenario with a common example. Okay, I won't tell you in this video about how to create what if questions, because that can be a bigger topic. Okay, and for that I must clear your base to what scenario is, and that is why I'm making this video for scenarios only, how to create a scenario. After that, what if scenarios will be covered. Okay, so let's start with creating a scenario first. Scenarios basically are like a normal drop down list where we can what do we say to that, just to for the testing purpose. Okay, so we'll be having many options under scenario. Just to watch this video very clearly. Okay, so let's start with our creating a scenario. So here I have already mentioned some or inputted some data here. I'll be telling you that this is an example of a Toyota Fortuner car, right? So here on road price of Toyota Fortuner, I have taken one example of the price. This variant is of S2, taking an example only, an assumption only. I'm not going in reality what variants are there, right? Particulars, these all are the particulars. Okay, amount, the here in this column will be writing out the amounts. Okay, ex showroom price I have written, RTO, insurance, the TCS. Okay, so total my budget would be 30 lakh. Okay, so, and remaining amount I'll be this is basically the addition of all these. I am putting formula here is equals to sum bracket start, then selecting the range. Okay, the range have come, then bracket close, enter. So a total price of S2 variant of Toyota Fortuner car is 2753452. Okay, and the remaining amount would be, I'll be putting another formula here, equals to total budget this minus this, enter. So approx 2,50,000 I got, right, the remaining amount. So this is the first variant. So now this is basically a common information. So let's create our scenario. So how to create a scenario? You have to give one primary key to this whole Toyota Fortuner information, that is S2. So variant S2 is dealing with all these prices. Okay, so this is the ex showroom price, RTO, insurance would be this for S2, and what would be the TCS for this. So let's start with our scenario. So what you have to do is you have to first select S2, then take the help of control key, then select this much. Okay, because we have to create a scenario here. So for S2 variant of these information, so I have selected the 5 rows, 5 cells basically. I'll go to tools, the simple formula of creating a scenario, or the steps you can say is go to tools, click on scenarios. Here scenario window will appear. So give the name to the scenario, that is S2, because this is a variant. Okay, S2 you have given, don't give any space, and here are some settings which I am telling you to just do same as I am doing. Uncheck this. Okay, border, I am giving some colorful thing here, light cyan, and pressing OK. Okay, so can you see that here is one arrow here I am clicking this, a drop down list is coming where many variants would come, and I am creating one by one. Okay, just see to it how I am creating. This S2 variant is clear with me. Okay, so S2 variance is dealing with these information, the price information. So this basically option tells us if I'll be pressing or selecting another variant, so the whole information will be changed. Okay, this is what we are thinking now, right? So let's start. Let's create our another scenario, that is S5. Let's say S5, and the amount of S5 would definitely be changed. So okay, it's 1,50,000, so let's say 154, 91,014. Okay, so now we have written S5 here, and the information we have changed. So now again you have to select it from here. Press the control key, keep on pressing S5, this one, this, and last one. Okay, so we have selected this, and after that go to tools, scenarios. Can you see scenario 2 is written here? So we'll be writing S5 and copy back. Won't be there. Light gray, any other? Yes, red. Okay, so we have successfully created two variants here. If I am pressing S2 variant, the information got changed. You can see 2,50,396 and the other informations related to the S2 variant. Now I am pressing S5. So, okay, can you see that? 2,52,396 and the other information got changed. With the change of this information, we have applied some formulas here. So this amount, these amounts are definitely gone affected. So I'm again selecting S2. Okay, can you see that the changes? Yep. Okay, you have successfully created two variants. So like this, you can create another one. How you will create? Go to S5. Just write down here S7 is the variant, and just give some, oh, it's 1 0 is less. Okay, and 160, then and 20,000 TCS. Okay, so press S7, select these four, go to tools, scenarios, again scenario third, give them the name to the third scenario, that is S7. Okay, and copy back, we don't want, another color is green. Okay, so three variants we have created here. So either you press this or press this arrow. Clear? So you have successfully created the scenario. Okay, a simple scenario. So because our topic is what type scenarios, right? So before this, I just want to make this clear what a scenario is, basically how we are creating the scenarios and all, right? And let me show you. Let me show you about one more thing which is very much important. Suppose you want to delete this scenario. What if you want to delete the scenario which you have by mistaken, or if the scenario is by mistaken created? So how you will delete it? So you have to go to the navigator here. So you must know what is a navigator. Navigator is basically a tool which helps you to delete any sheet, any scenario you have created, any macro or something. Okay, so let's start with the navigator. The shortcut is F5. Okay, or you can go to this toolbar, and here is the navigator, a kind of a watch kind of thing. Okay, click here. So this is the scenario option. Click here. So we have created three scenarios. Click any of the scenarios. Suppose S5 we want to delete. Click, right click, delete, deleted. Done. So let's see if it is deleted or not. Okay, it is deleted. S5 is no more with us. So this was it. I want to just show you